Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with a VA loan through USAA, full guide step by step clearly. To save with a VA loan through USAA, first, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements. Verify your military service status and obtain your Certificate of Eligibility, or COE. Visit the USAA website and create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account and navigate to the mortgage section. Select the VA loan option from the available loan products. Review the benefits of using a VA loan, such as no down payment and no private mortgage insurance. Use the mortgage calculator provided by USAA to estimate your monthly payments. Gather necessary documentation, including your COE, income verification, and credit information. Submit your loan application online through the USAA platform. Once your application is processed, work with your USAA loan officer to clarify any questions. Prepare for the home appraisal, which will determine the home's value. After the appraisal, discuss the loan terms and rates with your loan officer. Once you agree on the terms, sign the closing documents to finalize your loan. Review the details of your mortgage, including the interest rate and repayment schedule. Start budgeting for your monthly mortgage payments and any associated homeownership costs. Monitor your financial situation and make extra payments if possible to save on interest over time. Consider refinancing your VA loan in the future if interest rates decrease significantly. Stay informed about USAA's offers and any changes in VA loan policies for future savings opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.